Okay, let's continue. Simple error 1. Please look at the wrong code 1, fix it is error so that it runs correctly. Let's come to here. This is wrong code 1. I am saving as wrong code. Let's say backup or wrong code fixed. Let's say we are trying to fix it. It says first of all, okay, this here a problem. If I can, this Visual Studio give me the error. String literal is unterminated. It means that we have not started. We have started with this string, but we have not finished. If also we run using F5 again, okay, it is giving the same end of line scanning string terminal. Then we need to close this string. Then the same one is here. Okay, your birthday is birthday. But our problem is, okay, here, our problem, this is one string and this is another string. If I start with this one, I need to finish with this one. Okay, then I am running this one. Okay, enter your age, for example, 47. Okay, and it says that is a type error. Again, we are in the same problem with this print. Okay, when we get them, we need to change it. Since my age is this here, I am accepting a number. I need to change this one, for example, int age, and run it. Okay, and 46, for example. Okay, and here I cannot concatenate. Either I will use here, for example, simple comma, since print accept this other information and it will work, or I will change this comma is works, or I can use this plus and again change this on birthday to string, or I can use again f strings and put this birthday, okay, inside this f string with the curly bracelet, and here let me run 46 and all three of them works, whichever you prefer.